Hi guys, so welcome back. Thanks for coming back. So we're at the lake now, or just above a pond near my house. So what we're doing now is, after I fixed it, I put the hull mount in, I got new screws, sealed it all up, battery's charged. I am going to go and test this boat out now. I don't know what the range is, I don't know how far I can go, I don't know if I've made it waterproof enough, but this is where we're going to find out. Hopefully it don't sink. Otherwise that will be an expensive 450 quid down the drain, but here we go. So I've switched on, my other office has the remote. Obviously it's all switched on already. Always switch this on first before you switch the boat on. So boat is switched on, but nothing's happening because I have not plugged in the battery. So lesson number one. Alright, so battery's in, battery's plugged in, and now switches on. I already have my receiver on, so the receiver now has all its vitals on. It's on the channel, signal is 10, so I'm going to put it in. I have tied my spot rod up to it just to be safe. So here we go. Oh, it hasn't sunk. Let's do this. Let's see. So I have so that's just forward, so it's going on its own. But I think no, it's fine. So let's switch the lights on. Oh, where's the lights? So I'm going backwards now, I'm going forwards again. I just need to double check. Oh, so I've turned the speed down a bit so that it goes a bit slower, and then turn around. It's not a bad turn, and then going straight, lift it up on just to go by itself, and then I'm turning it, still going. Let's see if the headlight goes on. Here we go. Lovely. The maneuverability on this is not bad, so here we go. I'm going to go in reverse now. And do a turn. Now let's see if I can do the bait hoppers. So if I go up, click, click, and then if I drop, oh, has it dropped? I think it has. If I just go backwards a bit, oh, so let's go forward. So you can control this to go a bit faster or have a bit more oomph on the motors, but I'm just doing it. I'm just seeing how far it will go out before it loses range. So can you see the batteries at the back? It's flickering. Oh, has it? Alright guys, so we've just tested the boat and success. It did not flood. It's absolutely dry inside. However, the battery I have there was fully charged 12. I've only done a couple of like loops down here, and already I'm down to 9 volts on the battery. The light in front don't go on now, the LED, because obviously the headlight, because it just takes too much battery power. But what I had to do is up the power of the motors, because it was just going a tad too slow. So I've just gone into the menu, into the setup, and gone to the throttle curve, and I've changed the settings to be 70/70, and then keep my reverse to 30, so that it kind of obviously reverses only when I pull the lever down. Otherwise it stays, the higher you go, it will just stay in reverse all the time, so you don't want to do that. So I'm going to put the boat back, hopefully just try and go out to the other end of this pond again, just to see if it gets out there quicker. If not, I might have to just, you know, go home tonight, charge the batteries and charge my spare batteries as well, and then come back another day and then try it again. Thanks for watching.